Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about enumerations in Swift. Enumerations are also known as enums. They are used to store fixed amount of values. So store fixed amount of values. So why enums? For example, let's say I have a variable called day and the day is Sunday. And after some times we found out that we have to change the day, so day to be Monday. And again after some weeks we find that I again have to change the day to Tuesday. Then you can see there is a lot of repetitions going on. I'm assigning the day over and over again. Instead of doing this repetition, what I can do is create a enum type, call it day, and provide different cases for it. Since it is day, we can have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We can do that. Now if I have to provide a day, I just can say day dot Sunday. That way Sunday is a type of day and it is an enumeration. So if I print day, run it. Okay, I have to remove these things. Run it. It gives Sunday. Okay, Sunday is not a string, but it is of type day, and it is inside the cases like this. I can also print day dot Monday. It gives Monday, and so on. What else can we do? We can provide raw values for enums. Raw values is a value that is associated with each and every cases inside the enum. So to specify the type of the raw value, let's say it is of type integer. Now for the first case I can provide 1, meaning 1 is the raw value of the first case Sunday. I just have to provide the raw value for the first case. Monday will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. By default the raw value is 0, but if I specify the raw value is 1, then it goes that way. Like it follows the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now I can also say, so this is the day, first day, day dot raw value. Since it is Sunday, it should print 1. It does. Let's check for others. Day dot Saturday, run it. Or not, no, I just want a raw value 1 and 7. It works fine. Now the other thing that we can do is get the value using the raw value. We can also do that. I can print day dot, it has an initializer. I just have to provide the value, raw value. Let me get Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday is at 3rd. If I run it, it prints optional type, and it does provide the value, but it says it is of type optional. Last time I talked about how we can handle optionals. So if what I can say is, if the raw value 3 is present, give me that value instead of optional. But if it is not present, then just write invalid raw value, something like this. I can do that. Now instead of optionals, it will give me the correct value Tuesday for the value 3, raw value 3. But if I provide, okay, if I provide a raw value, what's happening here? Okay, if I provide a raw value that is 10, which is not present, and run it, it says invalid raw value, right? Because 10 is not present. That's everything that is happening. And so we can get the value based on the raw value or get the raw value based on the value. Now, what are the possible cases where we can use enumerations? So the first case can be response from the network call. So it is really handy when we have to depict the responses from the network call. For that, I can say enum response from the network call. There can be different cases. The first case can be it can success directly. The other case can be success and then failure, or the other case can be loading. If it is success, I can also pass in, I can also get the value if it is success. So data, some kind of data. For now, let's say it is string, and if it is failure, it gets some kind of error. I can call it string. Now I can use it. Let success will be response dot success, and data can be data from the API call. Similarly, we can have failure response dot failure. I can call it failure due to heavy latency, or I can say loading as well. So that's all you have to know about enumerations in Swift for beginners. Thank you for listening.